Hello viewers, welcome back. Today's video is about how you can learn high demand skills, and these are the skills that we usually don't pay much attention during our undergraduate or graduate studies, but these are really necessary skills which are required to land on your dream job. So here is the opportunity for all of you. Harvard University, that is top ranked university in the world, is offering free online courses on different subjects, so you can take these free online courses, and definitely this thing will put a positive impact on your CV to land on your dream job. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find free online courses and how you can enroll in those courses. So when you click the link in the description of this video, you will land on this page. So after that, you can explore all the courses, online courses, but we are interested in free courses. So I just click on free courses. So here you can search courses in different ways. For example, you can subject wise, you can separate courses, you can price wise you can separate them. So we are interested in free courses. So here you can see we have 116 results, that are these 116 courses which are completely free of cost. Okay, so out of 116 16 I am more interested in data science. Okay, so in data science field there are 11 courses which are being offered completely free of cost by Harvard. So just explore each one. Okay, so for example, I just want to learn the R data science R basic. So I just have to click on that. Here you have all the information. So it is free, it is online, and it's the duration of course is 8 week long, self-paced, and the professional certificate in data science. You can have completely free access to this course material, but if you want to have a certificate of completion, then you have to pay $149 to receive the verified certificate. Okay, so just read out the course description. So if you find that you are interested in, then you just click here learn more, then it will fetch you into the edu.x website. Okay, so it is also the online course platform. So if you are already a member, or if you are already registered on edu.x, then simply sign in, but if you are not, then register. Okay, so when you click on register, you just have to put your full name, email, username, password, and then just simply create a account. After creating account, just sign in. After sign in, just click here enroll, and if you want to receive email from Harvard X school, then just click on this, otherwise uncheck it. So this is the way how you can find free courses at Harvard University and enroll in those courses. I hope you like this video, and some of you are going to register in those courses and going to take the advantage of this opportunity. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.